Hey guys, it's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. Now that we're well into November, I have 3 more winning products for you to sell on your Shopify stores this month, and honestly the rest of Q4. November is hands down one of the most important months of the year for your Shopify stores because it's the halfway point of Q4, and Black Friday and Cyber Monday are just weeks away right now. If you guys want more winning products just like these 3 we're about to go over, remember to sign up for our winning product notifications, link down below. And if you find any value in this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright, November 22 winning products. Let's go over them. So the first one that I have for you guys is this hanging kitchen waste bin right here. As you guys can see in the lower right hand corner, I've seen a ton of stores selling this as of recently. And I said with food prices rising worldwide, people are starting to consume less and cook a lot more at home. This product has been gaining popularity recently as it makes your cooking mess much more manageable. You can easily slide any unwanted food or debris right off your counter and into this bin. There is more than enough content on AliExpress to get you guys started, whether you want to create some video ads, get some good image ads going, or whatever. And just honestly populate your website with all of this high quality content. So the cost of this product is $9.19 with free shipping on AliExpress. You guys can then go on to sell this product for $29.99 for a profit of $20.80 per sale with a high profit margin of 69%. The 3 interests I would start off targeting on Facebook ads with this product would be kitchen, cooking, and food storage. So let's go ahead and take a look at 2 stores that are already selling this product and see what their overall strategy is. Alright, so right here, okay, we already got hit with a welcome message trying to get our email. That's pretty cool. But right here we have the creative wall-mounted folding waste bin from Axelwell. As you guys can see, this is a little bit of a variation from the one that we were just talking about, but it's the same overall idea. So they're selling it for $30.97, marked down from $34.99. Not that big of a sale, but whatever. They have their quantity breaks on here. Buy 2, save an extra 10%, 20% off when you buy 5 or more. Discount automatically applied at checkout. They have all of their different shop guarantees and everything listed right at the top right here. 2 different color variations. You have beige and white with a capacity small and large. And then they have their description right here. They have, images breaking up all the different paragraphs. I would definitely add a lot more detail in the actual supporting paragraphs and everything itself, a little bit more storytelling elements, add a little bit more branding aspects like your logo. That actually does a good job with getting people to buy more, and also you can charge a little bit of a higher price with certain branding elements in play. They have their upsells right here that you may also like, although they don't seem to have any reviews imported on here just yet. I would definitely go through and add some reviews to help with, the trust element and get people to actually start buying this product. Alright, so again, we have the wall-mounted folding waste bin from Shopify right here. As you guys can see, they have a ton of images just grabbed right off of AliExpress. I do like this right here. They have a supporting GIF right at the beginning of the description. Although this description is a little bit cluttered by all these different images, they could definitely just keep them underneath the actual product itself, like right here. But I do like separating supporting paragraphs with multiple images, but this is definitely just a little bit too much, and it looks like they just copied some of the basic points from the AliExpress listing. So they really didn't put too much into writing this description, but I do like the GIFs on there. That's definitely a good touch. The recommended for you. Their trust badges down at the bottom, the shop guarantees, although they didn't change anything. It just says our guarantee, share your guarantee with your customers. So they definitely did a poor job, building this website and throwing everything together. There's a lot more you can do with this product page, but the only thing I really do like about it are the GIFs. You just want to, organize them a little bit better in your own descriptions. All right, product number 2 is this portable coffee funnel that you guys can see right here in the lower right-hand corner. I said one industry that never seems to slow is consumer coffee. This addictive trend seems to grow more and more every single year, with people lining up for their $8 coffees, collectible mugs, and at-home coffee stations. One little thing that companies never manage to perfect is the portable drip coffee system. They all seem to be too complicated, unuseful, or too messy to deal with, until this product started trending a couple of weeks ago. So the cost of this little coffee filter is $4.07 with free shipping on AliExpress. You can then go on to sell it for $24.99 for a profit of $20.92 per sale, with another high profit margin of 84%. The 3 interests I would start off targeting if you guys want to start with Facebook ads would be coffee, coffee preparation, as well as coffee lovers. Those should be 3 great interests to help you guys get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at a store that's currently selling this product and see what they're doing and what we can improve on ourselves. All right, so right here we have the travel coffee filter from PMS Deals. They're selling it for $11.97, marked down from $15. They could definitely get a lot more for this product if they really wanted to. They have a ton of different color variations and kit variations down here. Honestly, this looks a little too much for me. I would probably limit it to maybe, like 2 to 5 kits at most, but this is definitely too much going on down here. So you guys can see they have the matching kits and different product types down here as well. So either include the brush or don't include the brush, but don't include too many kits, because you're going to overwhelm your buyers and they're just going to move on and not want to purchase this product from you. So they have a nice description right here. Anywhere a nice cup of coffee, how to use. Okay, it's actually not that long. I thought it was a lot longer than this. They could add a lot more into their description, as well as importing some reviews. As you guys can see right here, they don't have any reviews just yet. So it's not exactly compelling their customers to go through and purchase it. They have their upsells right here, the review section without any reviews. But it's really just basic. There's not too much content on this page. Like, yeah, they have some high quality images of the actual product right here in use. But I would definitely include either some GIFs or like order this product yourself and shoot your own like tutorial video that you can include on the product page, like how it works, showing, like how easy the cleanup is or something like that. Just showing all the different benefits and features and really, making your customer want to purchase this product from you, kind of making it a no-brainer option. All right, the third and final product that I have for you guys is the Galaxy Light Projector, and I'm sure many of you guys have already seen this in the past. So I said this is a seasonal product that picks up every year around this time, as many of you guys have already seen. It tends to do great during the gifting season while people are actively shopping and looking for gifts. This projector is always a safe bet during the holidays. It's $14.22 with free shipping on AliExpress. I'm sure you guys can negotiate with multiple suppliers and get that pricing down just a bit. But you guys can then go on to sell this product for $59.99 for a profit of $45.77 per sale. And that's another great profit margin of 76%. So if you guys want to start off testing on Facebook, the 3 ad interests I would start with would be bright lights, LED lamp, and room decor. So now really quickly, I just want to go ahead and take a look at a viral ad that's currently selling this product for another brand.
1, 2, 3.
So simple yet so effective. This brand did a great job with that video ad. You now have 3 more winning products to sell on your Shopify stores this month. Also, don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below so you don't miss out on any of the latest trends. If you found any value in this video, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.